Lesson 1, Question 4. Many news media studies use experimental designs to see whether citizens' opinions are influenced by different news content. For example, in one study, researchers created newspaper stories to frame the death penalty in different ways. One story constructed the death penalty as an affront to moral values, the morality frame, whereas another story emphasized that the policy was fundamentally flawed because innocent people might be executed, the innocence frame. Some subjects read the story with the morality frame, and others read the one with the innocence frame. Subjects then completed a questionnaire that asked them to list the important factors they considered when determining their opinion on the death penalty. It was found that subjects exposed to the innocence frame were more likely to mention innocence-related considerations as important factors in determining their attitudes toward the death penalty than subjects presented with the morality frame. Thus, the news frames shaped the ingredients of the subject's death penalty attitudes. Affront moyog murye. Lesson 1, Question 5. The knowledge problem is most evident when we discuss our ability to predict that which has not yet been observed. Most people would say that they know the sun will rise tomorrow. However, can we call this a certainty? It seems very likely, but it has also been predicted that the time will come when the sun runs out of fuel, swells massively, and consumes the earth. We don't know if this prediction is true, but it is consistent with our best understanding and we cannot rule it out. It is also possible that the earth will explode due to some internal process with its molten core, which we had not anticipated. A massive comet that our telescopes have not observed may crash into the earth and destroy the planet. These examples seem a bit extreme, but consider the 230,000 people who died in the tsunami in Sumatra in 2004, which resulted from an undersea megathrust earthquake that had not been anticipated. The most reasonable prediction on that day was that it would be an average day like so many days before it, not that a massive wave was going to destroy many thousands of lives tragically. Such was the case. 몰텐 콜 용융 핵지구의 외핵 메가트러스트 거대 충상단층. Lesson 1, Question 6. Accepting or being at peace with things isn't easy. It takes time, patience, and a fair dose of courage. True acceptance isn't about trying to make something go away, as in, if I accept this, then it will go away. That's a good way to get dispirited when the problem, the thing, doesn't go away. Using acceptance to make something go away is actually non-acceptance, masquerading as acceptance in order to get rid of that towards which you have a negative attitude. Rather than getting dispirited, we would be better to notice what happens when we fight with a situation or experience. It escalates. We could then wonder, what would happen if we stopped fighting with it? Through true acceptance, the impact of such experiences starts to diminish, and in their own time, these experiences impact us less often. It's as if we've been visited by a stray dog that keeps coming back because we keep feeding it, but soon it loses interest and goes away when it is not being fed. Attention is the food that keeps it coming back. Masquerade as로 가장하다, 인척하다, 스트라이길 일은.